Alright, well anyways, it's RC Guy Garage, and I am at Hobby Quarters in Foxborough, Mass. This is definitely a place to go, man. It looks like they did get hit pretty good with the sales, which is a good thing because obviously you saw last time everything was jacked and stocked up to the ceiling. We still got stock to the ceiling here. Anybody looking for these 4S line of Arrmas, we've got obviously the Kraton and the Outcast. Everybody knows how much I really like this truck. You want to pick up one of these, this is definitely the one that I can recommend. This one, if you're into Kratons, yes. This one, into Outcasts, 100%. And they do have a couple of them in stock. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, 1. Yeah, 6. 6 of them in stock. And obviously you got the big rock. Gundam stuff. Never got really into that stuff. I think that's Gundam, right? Yeah, Gundam. And there's more here. I do not have patience for this kind of stuff right here. I barely have any patience for the stuff I already do. Oh, what do we got there? Perfect grade. All right. One thing I wanted to check was the crawler tires. It almost seems like these are probably going to be the way to go. Yeah. I think what I will do, because these are all the same, right? Scrambler, yep. So looking at these right here, close. And they got this. What the heck is this? Whoa. That might be a little too big. Boy, that's close. Slightly bigger tire. It's already got a lift. You know what? I think I'll go with these IROCs. Either the IROCs or these, which are the Super Swampers. I think I'm going to go with the IROCs. Yep, that was easy. IROCs. Right there. Oh no. Wait a minute. IROC. Yep. Grab a set of 2 or a set of 4 IROCs. That works. Put these back. Interco narrow. Let's see. That one. I want to mess up their stock. What do we got here? We got Falcon, wide peak. Wait a minute. Interco narrow, Interco narrow. Alright. So let's see. Kind of made a decision on that. But then I saw this. What do we got here? Nah, still too small. Those don't really fit well. What we got here? Yeah, that's what I already got. IROCs. Okay, that's what we're getting. Some IROCs. So this is what I'm going to call kind of like a very low-key, mellow kind of video. Nice and quiet. Got the crawlers on deck. I don't know if you've seen, but I did go to Hobby Quarters, and there's a section to where it looks like I may have did what's called a jump cut. So I cut it and I totally jumped to something else. And there's a reason why. I bought a set of crawler tires for the little SCX, for the little TRX4Ms. I don't have no SCXs. Those things are way too small. But I've got these things right here. This one right here, this is my wife's. It has my set of tires that are sitting on the top. Because mine right now is rocking a set of tracks. And the guy that prints up these tracks is I don't know, man. He's got to be like a genius or something, because these tracks are pretty cool. Now, if you want to nitpick, you could nitpick the fact that there's still like pieces of 3D print and whatever, but I don't care, man. This thing is just a crawler. It's a tiny little crawler, and I'll tell you right now, this thing literally crawls over everything. The other thing that I did was, obviously, you can see I mounted my spare tire and the high lift jack on the top. It definitely looks way better. People are like, Guy, now this is when I had the tires on. They're like, Guy, so instead of completely removing the weight, you took the weight that was on the back, you stuck it on the top, and now it's top heavy. I'll tell you right now, this thing ain't no top heavy. The intent was to have these tracks on here. This thing is absolutely stinking mint right now. And what I'm hoping is I can use one of these vehicles maybe to be able to film the other. So say like maybe mount the GoPro on there. I know the GoPro fits on the top of this roof rack right here. I've already done that just to see if I can get some kind of like footage. Maybe put it on like that hyper smooth. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to pull the wheels off of my wife's truck, which is this one right here. This is the Bronco, TRX4 Bronco. I'm going to pull the original factory stock wheels off. Now this thing already has a lift. Call it a mini lift. All I did was I changed out the lower spring eyelets to a slightly longer eyelet. And that is an excellent way to go because you get full compression. Actually, you get a full stroke out of the shock, both compressed and uncompressed. And it just looks more, I guess, realistic when it comes to these little crawlers here. So if you're interested in seeing if these tires fit onto my wife's wheels, that's all this is. This is just like I said, this is low key. I'm probably going to go ahead and play some music. I've got Epidemic Sound on here. If you're not familiar with Epidemic Sound, anytime you hear music on my channel, that is where I'm getting it from. And if you're interested, there is a link in the description below. It's a referral link. It doesn't cost you a dime or what. Well, it costs you a subscription, but it doesn't cost you anything extra, and I'll actually get a kickback, and I think so will you. As far as I know, if you use my referral, you will get a percentage off, and then I'll get like $5 or something like that towards my subscription. But I'll tell you right now, the music that I get off of this, it has music, it's got sound effects, there's all kinds of stuff on that Epidemic Sound. There's also other affiliate link type deals, Amazon junk in there. I was gonna be an A-Main affiliate, but I don't know, man. I ain't got the brain capacity to figure that affiliate stuff out. It's either brain capacity or I just ain't got time for that. So I don't. I want to do something else. This is just showing you what I got for tires and setting up the bead locks. And the X-Max, or should you say the XRT, is doing well. We've got some parts for that. You can see I got a wheelie bar on the back of it. But if you want to see what I got for parts, you have to stay tuned for part am I on? I think I'm on part 10. Let me see. What kind of mood am I in? Heavy metal, death, rock, epic, dreamy, happy, euphoric. Oh, laid back? Dude, I'm into some laid back stuff here. See what we got. What do you mean start my free trial? Log in, guy. It's already me here. Come on. RC guy. That's right. Log in. That's right, baby. So usually I'm listening to stuff like this, I think. Trap's actually pretty good. Metal alternative. And like heavy metal and all that kind of stuff. But, like I said, I feel like I'm more in the mood for something else here. And I was going for laid back. So let's see what this is right here. Old school hip hop. I don't know if that's going to be my deal. Oh, baby. That might be all right. Yeah, that'd be all right. Alright, so what I've got here, I got these wheels off of Amazon. They were extremely cheap. It's the reason why I got them. And I found out very fast that the Traxxas tires do not, while they're great, they seem like great tires. They're supple, soft, but they have a massive, massive bead lip, which is huge. And the reason why that is because it tucks right into that groove right there, which is great. So for the Traxxas wheels, it's actually great. It seems like a great tire. That's kind of why I wanted to, stay with this, but that's just not how it worked out. So, but these are great tires. I do like them. You know, again, I'm not some crawler professional. I never will be, but the only thing I think that I didn't like, if I remember right, was that when it climbed, I think it compressed too much. I can't remember. But I think it did pretty good. I think it climbed fairly well for what it was. So this is the wheel that I have all together. These are 1.5 screws, but I thought this was a pretty slick looking wheel. Look at that. So again, like I said, my wife likes red, so got her some nice red wheels to go ahead and go with her TRX4 crawler. So I'm going to get my wheels off of here. Yeah. Got to show you what tires I got too. So what I ended up going with is these ones right here. These are these RC four-wheel drive. These are the Interco IROCs. I thought these looked pretty good. They're a Super Swamper IROC. Says scale tire. It is for, I think, for that 24 size, because I don't think they've got any of the 18 size. 2X2 S3 compound. Wait a minute. Hopefully I hope I got the same compound. Hey, look at that. I did. Awesome. I don't know if I'm gonna like that music. I think that music's gonna drive me nuts. Oh, come in, come on. Yeah, that music's gonna drive me nuts. I guess I'm not into that laid back. Let's see what else we got here. Yeah, there's no way. Sorry. I just can't do it. I can't do the laid back. Maybe relaxing? Black soil? Oh, man. I don't know what to listen to here. Maybe I'll just type in trap, see what happens. TRAP, enter. Dark trap, jingle trap, trap beats. Let's try that. What is this? Yeah, good enough. It might be too loud. Alright, so that was these things. Interco RC four-wheel drive, part number Z-T0095 W, I think. Made in China. Everything's made in China, man. Alright. Let's see. Use a knife to open these. There we go. Gonna not slice through the tire guide. Pull these little bad Larrys out. Ooh. Ooh, these aren't bad, man. Got some stickers here? Oh, dude, serious, we got some stickers. Nice. They're blue, though. I don't think the blue will look all that... Well, maybe it would look alright on the truck. I'll leave that for my wife if she wants to sticker it up. I should be letting her do this, but I wanted to give it to... Oh, this has got foams in it, too. Check that out. That's about the same size. Very, very slightly bigger. So I'm going to go ahead and pop off one of those wheels. And I'm going to use the thing that the guy gave me for the tracks. So, and you can see what I do is I leave the truck up on in the center skid plate. Because what it does is it allows the suspension to fully extend. So this little tool this guy made is pretty cool. So I'm just pulling off one of the wheels just to show you. So, but like I said, it does have a mini lift. So here's the stock tire. What I did like about this is that it was nice and squared off. It has a pretty nice road pattern type of deal. You know, it's that scaleness, right? But I think what I remember is that it was just a little too soft in the middle, if I remember right. But then again, I could be remembering wrong. Maybe I'm thinking my thing over there. These tires are just slightly bigger, and they're about the same width. Not quite, but they're close. So when you look at them like that, you can see it is pretty close. So, gonna go ahead and toss these in. Here's the big difference right here, is that you can see that this lip is no problem for the bead lock deal. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this apart. Ooh, let me see. Little 1.5 here. Should be doing it this way. So I'll go ahead and pull these apart. All this stuff is just so tiny. Makes you scared. Makes you scared like you're gonna break something. But I like the fact that the Traxxas came out with this 1/18th, man, because for people that, you know, have sausage fingers, it definitely helps. So pull all 5 of those screws out, and that way this can separate. This ring obviously goes on the inside. So let's see, RC 4-wheel drive Super Swamper, and it says the same thing on both sides. I don't, so actually, yeah, it's funny, there is a direction. You don't think it's directional, but see how it sweeps that way? When you flip it, it sweeps the other way. So does that mean these are directional? Because, yeah. I'm going to go ahead and do it this way. That seems to make more sense because these little side lugs would grab. These actually don't have much of a side lug like I was thinking. But either way, this little ring is going to go inside. Just like this. I'm going to take that bead. You want to unroll it and let it go inside the wheel like that. Inside that lip in there. Gotta be careful doing this. So let's see. Do I want to go in this way? I want to go in this way. So I'm gonna put the rim this way. Ooh, that's slick. And it looks like we're good this way. Go ahead, and I want to line up the holes the best I can right away. And I do have pliers here somewhere. So what I've done before is I've just taken these pliers. Was that a bend? I've taken these pliers and I've just given it a little bit of a tweak, like this, to line up the screw holes. And there we go. Oh, that's sweet. That is pretty slick, man. Alright, so it looks like we're all lined up. Go ahead and put this in there. You know, it's funny, I thought I could do this with this music, but I can't. See, I need like Godsmack or something like that. So I need real music. You know what I mean? You know how sometimes you just want real music? Like when I'm working in my garage and I'm working on my car or whatever, I'm listening to real music, not whatever this garbage is. I gotta switch this out. Alright, I'm gonna go across so I can grab some threads. Oh, my arm touched it. I can feel them grabbing. Gosh, this stuff is just so small. Going in nice though. These rims are, I don't even know what they're called. if I can take this music. Sorry, guys. It's not my deal. I thought I could. I think I have to have something a little bit more upbeat. Metallica came out, is coming out. Actually, did they come out with a new album, or are they coming out with a new album? Metallica, I saw something where they announced, or somebody announced, that Metallica's got a new album, or something's going on. I'm actually psyched for that, man. So, just go around, and this is where you get scared. Not wanting to over-torque these bolts, man. So I just go around and just give it a tweak till it feels like it wants to stop. You get kind of put like the same tension on all of the screws. And you'll get to a point to where you can feel that that's enough. You know what I mean? Look at that. That is mint, dude. I mean, the black rim is cool, but look at that. Nice. Nice, man. It is a little bit bigger. So let's go ahead and toss this on there. Cool. Look at that, man. Not too shabby. Now I put chrome lug nuts on here. It's funny, I don't like the fact that the wheel's tucked in a little bit. But that's alright, though. It'll make it more off-road capable. Off-road? Yeah, right, guy. Off-road nothing. Come on. Get in there. There we go. There we go. Sweet, dude. Check that out, man. That's actually not bad, dude. Look at that. That's got a nice look to it. The wheel is tucked in a little bit more, but that also means... That also, I think, means that it's going to be... Yeah. Yeah, I think that'll work. Yeah. Mint. Alright. So, like I said, this is just me. What I could do, though... I got these. These were 12 bucks. These are a little funky. So, these were a return. And I think I understand why they were returned. Because the screws are not metric. These screws are standard screws. It takes the tiniest little Allen wrench that I just happen to have to put these together. So, I wonder what that would look like. Nah. These are just cheap. That's the only reason why I got them. I gotta keep this Allen wrench with that. 12 bucks. Couldn't pass it up. Whatever. You know? 12 bucks. They got some weight to them too. That's what I liked about them. These are supposed to be for my Defender. So eventually I'll get to trying the Defender with the wheels on. But right now I'm just having a blast with the tracks. So, tracks are pretty slick. Go ahead and I'm going to put this micro Allen wrench right in the box so I don't lose it. Second Life. Oh, Injora. Alright. Go after the next wheel. Now, keep in mind, I want to do the same directional thing. Do believe that is how it goes, too. So, open up this. Get these screws out of here. Get them all out of here. There we go. So each one of these was held together by 2 screws. Boy, I really don't know if I'm liking that music. I'm having a rough time here. Music is tough, man. Oh, gotta watch I don't lose the screws. Alright, so now, if this is directional, And I'm going to have it going on this side. That means I want it to be that way. Yes. Just feel like the way the little side lugs are turned. Do you know what I mean? Like it would grab. You know what I mean? I could be wrong. So that's kind of how I feel though about it. So throw this in there. Make sure that lip goes up and over. Up and over. Very, very easy. I want it going this way, right? Yep. Put that face in there. Make sure we're looking good on the back side. I do see the attraction to these crawlers because everything is relatively inexpensive. It allows you to have some fun at that low cost or lower cost. So I'll go ahead and give that a spin. Right about there. Load up a screw. Whoa. And these are stainless, so they are not magnetized. So I thought that was pretty cool too. Stainless fasteners. Let's see if I can get that in there. Looks like I got it. Got it. Boy, that was right away. Make sure that that bead is all the way on. Looks like it is. Looks like we're good. Yep. Looks like it's good. Sticky. Got a nice stickum to it. Sand should stick to it really nice. It's like it's got tire prep on it. It's got drag racing tire prep on it. But I do want to, hopefully over this weekend, build or start to build some type of crawler or something. I've never done it before, but I got a couple of ideas. It's going to be, like I said, the use of foam, some popsicle sticks, cardboard, a fairly rigid cardboard, I think. And I also want to make it so that it's portable. So do it in like lengths or pieces, you know what I mean? So I can, you know, take it apart, set it up in the living room, and then literally do like, you know, I just want to see, man. I want to see if my wife will get into this. I think it would be cool for her. You know, like I said, low-key, laid-back kind of deal. She's got her thing here. So I'll save that wheel. Put that there. Oh, you know what? I'll just throw it on right now. I hope I got enough screws. That's something I didn't check. Alright, pop that out. Okay. So this is the one that's supposed to be for here. Cool. I think I need to get some metal going here. This stuff is killing me. Sometimes I can listen to this stuff, but man, having it be repetitious like this, nah, I just can't do it, man. I'm done. All done. Let's go discover some let's discover some other stuff here. Let's discover some metal. M-E-T-A-L. Bam. Metal. Headbanger's ball, baby. Let's see what we got. There we go. Dude, doesn't that sound like Soundgarden? Save me! It's got like that Soundgarden sound to it. Got some garbage in there? Alright, where are we? Go ahead and open up this wheel. Oh my god, Daisy, you are lighting me up. Can't believe you're doing that to me. She's the fart queen, man. Doesn't it have like a Soundgarden sound to it? Chris Cornell? Like you're just waiting for him to start banging out some lyrics. Alright, open up the next thing here. Be careful not to slice through my tire. Or my wife's tire. Super Swamper. Rocks. Very, like I said, very sticky. Okay, so we got it going that way. So let's put in the little ring. You know, another good group is Tiger Blood Jewel. I'm going to type in Tiger Blood Jewel. Tiger Blood Jewel right there. Let's see. The Ultimate Remixes. Oh! Ooh. Yeah. No. There we go. We'll go with that one. Alright, so I was going this way for that side. Put that in there. Try to line this up best I can. Right there. Alright. Is that lined up? Kind of almost doesn't look lined up. Oh, maybe it is. Pop it out again, just for a second, just to make sure. Yep, it is lined up. There we go. I think I got it. The other thing too is I wonder if wetting these would make them contact better. Do you know what I'm saying? Like if you wet the rim, make it like slip in better or something. It's looking good. See, all this stuff is just so micro. Oh, gone forever. Gotta have good eyes with this stuff, man. As you can see, I don't have good eyes anymore. I wear glasses. Oh. I had good eyes, what, 4 years ago? And my eyes just went to junk. Okay. Red wheels, man. Hopefully she likes it. I think she will. Like I said, she likes red. We almost got a F450 a couple years ago in red. We were looking at them. But I decided to scale back a little bit. not take on a hefty $100,000 payment. Trucks are 100 grand, man. At least the one that I spec'd out. Alright, so that's this one, that's the front. So I'm going to go ahead and toss that one on. Like I said, this little 3D printed tool this dude made works. You need it to get the tracks on, because you need a way to get the nuts on. So that is definitely that side. Cool. Check that out, man. Red wheels. That's not too bad, you know? You know? Like I said, this video is just very low-key. Because isn't that what crawling is? Crawling's just that kind of low-key kind of deal. Alright, so flip the truck around. I want to make sure I go this way. Look at that. Directional lugs. That's just for the outside, though. Right? No, because it works on the inside, too. What am I thinking? Because it's directional, guy. This way. Because it bites. Okay. That was really crazy. Line up the spokes exact. But I ain't that nuts. I'm sure there are people out there, man, that are crazy. Alright, that's looking pretty slick. I think this battery's all charged up. Oh. Uh-oh. There we go. Oh man. This stuff is just too tiny. Third time's a charm. Check it out. Third time's a charm. Right? Safety third. Third time's a charm. It all comes in threes. It's cool. So, just going nice and easy. Looks like we got an extra screw. Whoa. Cool, they gave me an extra screw. Wow, how generous. One extra screw. You know what that means? They just miscounted. Because they ain't generous about nothing. They gave me the baker's dozen. They gave me 13. Yeah, I wonder, were there 13 donuts in that box, or was there only 12 to hobby quarters? I never checked. They should give me a baker's dozen just because. Alright. Go around. I wonder if my wife will realize what I did for her little truck here. What I'd like to do is I'd like to get the light kit and have her put it in. But I don't know if she would. I don't know if she'd be that into it. But the light kit is cool, man. It's only 30. Oh, I should have got that while I was at hobby quarters. Damn it. Well, I guess that just means I'm gonna have to go ahead and go to hobby quarters again. Oh, so sad. Right? Oh no. Dang. I'm gonna have to take another trip to hobby quarters. Isn't that such a sad life? Alright, I think I'm good. Yep. We're good. The only thing I do wonder is, could I get these screws again? Let's throw it on. Here it goes. Last one. Get in there. Crank. Yeah, you can see these tires are just a little bit taller, man. Liking them. Pretty sweet. Here we go. Directional. Get on there. Oh, pop off, yep. Oh, what's going on? There we go. Go to your home. There we go. Beautiful. Not too tight, but not too loose. All right, cool. There we go, man. There's her crawler with the red wheels. All right, I'm gonna turn on some lights here so we can illuminate the situation here. Whoa, geez, sorry. She has to be right under me. I'm sorry, Haley. All right. You know we got to climb the tire. See if that works, right? You know what's cool is the tracks. The tracks eat up the tires. So let's see, can we climb? Let's see, can we climb a single tire? All right. Dude, it actually looks pretty good. Like I said, I'm probably a little bit more psyched than my wife is. All right, so her remote is, I think, this one. I gotta label the remotes. Plug it in, let's see if it connects. And that's a no. So that means it's this one. Hey, here we go. All right. All right, man. Here we go. Get that one extra screw there. Oh, no problem. Look at that. Look at the shiny, huh? Let's go for 2 wheels. Hello. Oh, it doesn't want to climb it.
What are you doing?
Almost seems like the battery's dead. What you got?
GoPro.
Oh, why is it?
Oh,
you know what? I wonder. Is it possible that these are binding? You know that? They are. Oh, they're gonna need washers. They are totally binding. Okay, there's that one. So.
oh my gosh, dude. What did you do?
So, I didn't even think about the binding. So I definitely will need to install washers to stop the binding. Yes? Oh, you going to bed?
Yeah.
At 9? Oh my goodness. Yeah, front's definitely binding. Okay.
It's your morning tomorrow.
I know. I know. Tomorrow I die.
Oh my gosh, dude, you were begging so hard.
Okay, well, let's try it now. Good night, sweetie. I love you very much. Ooh, muscles. Alright, let's try it again. That was weird. Didn't even notice the binding, but... Alright, here we go. Oh, it's something still up. What's up with it? Oh no. Where is it binding? Oh, it's that wheel. Oh no. So is this really not gonna work? Come on. binding. Dang it. Alright. So, let's take this wheel off, see what's going on here. That's kind of a bummer, man. I didn't even think about the hex depth. So that means what? That these hexes are a lot deeper? And they're binding up against... Alright, I don't want any more music now. Now I've got to think. Alright, now it's just time for no music. So, let's see what's going on here. Ah, it's a bummer, man. I didn't even think about that. Stupid Traxxas. Okay. Why is it binding? Oh, yes. Oh, these might not work. This. See, the hex is set in. You son of a gun, Traxxas. See that? It's the offset. Oh, I didn't even think about the offset. Damn it. Crap, that means I would have to get extended. I'm going to try washers right now. I just don't know if I've got enough washers. Oh, crap, Traxxas. See, that's Traxxas for you, man. I'm telling you. That is totally Traxxas right there. That is a Traxxas maneuver. Damn it. Oh, I thought this was going to be mint. I was all excited. Give it to my wife. Now it's junk. Made it worse. Oh, you know, here I am trying to do something nice and Traxxas jacks me up here. Alright. So, if I throw that on there, oh, it's too, is it too big? Okay, it's just the right size. But then it leaves so much little meat on there. Ah, no, it ain't gonna work, dude. It's binding. You sons of a guns. Traxxas, I hate you, dude. No! I'm gonna have to get hex extenders. Damn it! Dude, if it ain't one thing, it's another. I'm gonna try and screw it on. They look mint, too. What the heck, Traxxas? Come on, man. You have to be so stinking proprietary? Crap. Man. Stupid Traxxas. Is it still set? It actually seems loose. And I think it's loose on the rim too. Yeah, it is. Oh, man, what a bummer. Yeah, because if I tighten it... Oh, no. That kind of feels loose, but so does this one. Man. What the hell? See, man? This was supposed to be easy. But because it's Traxxas, Traxxas just says, nope. Forget you, guy. You ain't giving no present to your wife. You should have stuck with our factory parts. It's probably not going to work. Traxxas, you're killing me. As usual. Oh, it looks cool, though. So, let's see. It feels loose. So does the rear, too, though. The rear feels loose, too, though. Could it be I have a dead battery? You know what? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pull off the rear. I'm going to go ahead and put the washers in and see if it loosens up. It could be like low cutoff. That is a possibility because this thing has been ran. So I did some night running with it, and I suspect that the charger for this thing isn't working. I think. So I'm going to go ahead and put the washers in, see if it's, see if that's spaced. I'm pretty sure my battery is fully charged. But that means I got to take the battery out of mine, toss it in this, and maybe it's just the battery. So, space them out. Watch it just be the battery. But it kind of does have that, feeling of being tight, but I guess this would probably need some kind of an extended hex. I just can't wait until like the aftermarket grabs a hold of this thing and starts doing some cool stuff. So again, I'm not interested. Oh, that is what it is. Dude, check it out. It's low cut. I just noticed right now. Check it out. It's screaming at me. Low cut. Okay. I'm still going to do the washes, though, because I feel like I was getting binding. Because of the offset. So let's go ahead and just do that. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay. And I'm going to swap out the battery. Let's see if this is what it is. And see if I can go ahead and charge this one. Got the tracks, this little thing here. So let's plug that in. And looking at the little charger device. What's it doing? Is it blinking? Looks like it's blinking green. Now my other one, the other one, which is hers, see that one's mine, but the one that's hers doesn't blink. Like it stays solid red. So let's toss the battery out of mine into that one. Because like I said, I know my battery's pretty much fully charged. So we'll toss this one in here. Plug it in. And it should be mint, right? Watch. Was that literally the issue? That may have been the issue. Dang it. Alright. Well, I didn't think low cut, man. I really wasn't thinking low cut. Alright, let's see how it does now. Should do mint now. We're at the double stack. Go ahead and give it a double stack. See what we got here. Sweet! It did push it out of frame, but there wasn't anything to stop it. So double stack, let's see if it does it. I'll put a couple tires this way to maybe help. Yeah, we'll do it like that, see what happens. Okay, there you go. Bumper clears. Coming up. Whoa! Look at that. Dude, look it. Nice. Uh-oh. Oh! We're rolling. Alright, hey, not too bad, man. It's like I said, it's got a lift. So let's see if I can do the 1, 2, and then 3. See what it does with that. 1, 2, and 3. Will it climb? 1, 2. Oh, 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 oh. Yo! Dude, check it out. Got it. Oh, we're losing it. We're losing it. We lost it. Ah, we died. I hope my wife actually has fun with this, man. I really do. I really do. I'd love for her to have some different kind of fun. You know what I mean? Now, let's see. Can I actually get onto that without... Oh, yes, I did. We didn't flip. We didn't flip. Check it out. Did not flip. If I go that way, I think it's a flip. All right, see, can I get down without dying? Oh! Done. All right, and then the next test is obviously to go ahead and do single and single. So we'll line up a single for here, a single in the back. And what I'll do is I'll take the camera out of this thing. Ooh, camera's getting hot. And we'll put it like this. Or like that. Oh boy, that light's bright. And get some articulation here. Bam. Sweet. Look at that. Very, very cool. All four wheels are on the ground. Still have wheel well clearance in the front. And we've got wheel well clearance in the back. And I believe that is probably max. I believe that is maximum. So, not too shabby, man. She's got some nice red wheels with some nice tires. Okay. Happy. All right, that's it. That's where this video ends. All right, so anyways, RC Guy Garage, like I said, this was just a very low-key thing. I didn't even think about the battery being dead. I did kind of put spacers on this because the wheels are definitely, yeah, the offset's way off, so. Those lights are bright, though. Look at that, man. Oh, it's a wicked bright. Yeah, so anyways, RC Guy Garage. And this was just a low-key video on the TRX4M Crawler. This one is my wife's. It does have a mini lift on it. All that consisted of was longer bottom spring eyelets. So, and that gave it a lift. And it's great. Next, it'll be my track vehicle. That's my Defender with the tracks. The tracks are stinking slick, man. That thing literally goes over anything. So I was out at Hobby Quarters picking up some stuff. What did you do today? Did you support your LHS? Or at least your local speed shop? That was no skill involved.
Here we go.
That was all fire team.